Welcome everyone to my new tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Google or Gmail account permanently, step by step. So, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. First things first, you want to go into your browser and put Google into the search bar. After that, you'll open up the first link here, right here, Google. Then you go into the right top, click on your profile icon. In your profile icon, you will see down here more setting. You click on that. Then here you'll just scroll down a little bit, and at the bottom you'll have Google account settings. You click on that, and here you'll get more options. Since we want to go into the deletion, you'll go on the left here, data and privacy. After that, you can see your privacy here with your data. You scroll down, and at the very bottom you will have delete your Google account. You click on that. You will have to input your details like your password and email again if needed to be, and then you'll just accept it. And there we go. This is how you delete your Google account with your email. That's all from me. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.